they have is the only team. Important detail: the only team in ISL where Indian players are scoring most of the goals, because in the other teams 90% are scoring only foreigners. This is a good detail, that the kind of Indian players that they have, and they spend good money with very good foreigners this season. They have very good foreigners. I know Edgar Mendez very good. I know Pedro Capó. I play against him when he was in the same competition than me in Spain. They have very good competition. Obviously Pereira. They have very good team. But I feel that is a good moment to play against them, because we need to show that we can beat the stronger team in this moment in the competition, and I feel that will be a good game. Will be a good game, and it's very clear. They are working very good. It's very clear what they want to do. Even it's nice to watch the style of these players, and they have very good team. It's a candidate to fight for the Shield.